Soul Welfare for Children in the Astral World. Param Shanti. In this video, Bapuji explains the spiritual journey that children in the astral world go through. Children who die at a very early age, like at 5 years, 6 years, 4 years, or 3 years, will have their destiny in accordance with their karmic account. It may be good or bad. Even after the child has passed, the child's parents, siblings, or other relatives should put the child's photo in front of them and provide spiritual knowledge to the child for the welfare of his or her soul. Just like how in the physical world, when the child is quite young, like 4 or 5 years of age, parents make the child understand little things that he or she should do. So the parents should keep the photo of the child that has passed away and teach the child the supreme spiritual knowledge little by little. Just like how the children in the physical world have the layer of 5 elements on their soul, the deceased child have the layer of 3 elements on their soul. Most of the time, the deceased child is attached to his parents and more so to the mother. Therefore, most of the time the child's soul stays at its home. But sometimes karmic bondages take the child elsewhere. Some souls may influence the child to go along with them. Some good souls also help them sometimes. But no one has direct knowledge in the astral world. No one has the infinite supreme knowledge. So if they keep our videos of supreme infinite knowledge playing while keeping a photo of the child and ask the child to listen to the knowledge, then gradually the child will keep listening to the knowledge. Just like how the children in the physical world listen, the child in the astral form will listen and learn gradually. You should keep making the child's soul understand. Slowly, just like the children in the physical world, the deceased children will start developing and grow in understanding. The child will understand that for its welfare, knowledge is the only tool. For any soul, there is no other way. Therefore, knowledge is everything. Make him listen to the infinite supreme knowledge. In this way, the welfare of the child's soul will keep happening, and when you call him affectionately while keeping their photo, they will definitely come to you. They will not go anywhere else even if they have other karmic bondages. If you attract them with your love, they will stay with you. In this way, you can do something for the welfare of their soul. Keep playing the videos of infinite supreme knowledge and ask the child to listen to them. In this way, they will listen to it, and by doing so, their soul will get lighter. Today, even the souls of 5-year-olds have knowledge recorded in them. When the soul receives knowledge, power, and affection from the family, it becomes lighter. When the soul becomes extreme light, it takes no time for the knowledge to emerge. The child will desire to listen to the supreme knowledge the whole time. The child will share this knowledge with the other souls of the astral world living in the house, and the good souls will get attracted to that place. Thus, the home will become the center for the sharing and the discussion of knowledge. The souls of the astral world will keep seeing and listening to the audios and videos of the supreme knowledge. You can summon any such souls, even your deceased relatives. You can keep their photo in front of you to summon them, and they will definitely come. If they don't want to listen, then they will go away and you will realize that they have gone. However, if they seek the knowledge, they will listen to it. I have seen many souls who are still in their families' home who listen to our knowledge, and then those souls help their families and bring them here to us. But some of them then fall under the illusion of material world, which breaks them away from us. So always explain to them about the illusion of this material world. Teaching them about illusions is very necessary. Illusion causes diversions from the correct path. Illusion causes disgrace. Therefore, it is very necessary to defend oneself from the worldly illusions. Currently, time on the earth is coming to an end. Whoever wants to change the destiny of their relatives from this physical world can also do so for relatives who are good souls. Although you have to detach from the worldly desires while forever being in the remembrance of the Almighty Authority, you can still change the destiny of the other souls, and there is a difference between wanting the welfare of the soul and being attached to them. Low quality souls will not understand this knowledge. You will waste your time and energy by helping them. But if you find a soul under extreme grief in the physical world as well as the astral world, you can help them by sharing this knowledge with them. Tell them that world is about to transform. So such souls of the astral world and souls of the children will understand this knowledge, and they will get help in this manner. This video is also available in Hindi. The link is in the description box below. Thank you so much. Param Shanti.